Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solve this 2126 destroy asteroid. Okay, so basically this problem has you guys an original mass, and asteroid I is a mass of the, and you guys are asteroid. And if your planet is greater or equal to the mass of asteroid, then it will destroy the asteroid and combine them together. So your mass will be increasing. Otherwise, that your planet will be destroyed. And then you want to check that whether all asteroids are destroyed or otherwise return false. So for example, 10, there's a order that you can get because like 10 greater than 9, right? So you can add it 19, 19, 8, and 9, 38. So 38 greater than 5, greater than 3, and the total greater than 21. So this problem is very, very simple, right? Because it has a strong flavor that you can sort this asteroid. For example, I start from 10 and I sort it. So you can just sort it. Okay, so you start from 10, right? You see, oh, 10 greater than 3, so it becomes 13. 13 greater than 5, so become 18. 18 greater than 9, become 27. 27 greater than 19, so become 46. Hopefully I'm correct. 13, 18, yeah. Okay, so then this is true, right? So the answer, so it should be very easy that you just first sort it. You just sort it, and you start from original mass. This is very simple, right? Because if your m is less than the smallest a1, then there's no way that you can destroy, right? So you just need to check if this greater than this, then you just check, then become this, and you just keep checking. And then if it can bypass all the tests, then it return true, otherwise it return false. Right, so you can sort it your asteroid and then start from mass and go through each asteroid. If your star greater or equal to asteroid, then your star can then you can add it, right? Otherwise, that you return false because your planet will be destroyed. Then return true. So this problem is just very simple that you can solve this problem immediately. Okay, notice the things that this 10 to the 5, right? So it seems like, so it means that you should quickly think the n log n solution. So in this problem, basically we just sort it. So this is very stupid problem that you just, once you understand the idea, then it will be completely trivial.